am Xinyue.
And this is our presentation on pollution and environmental issues in Hawaii.
Hawaii is the 15th state. It's the northmost island group in Polynesia. For many years, the images of Hawaii for many visitors is about surfing, sunshine, beach, and the hula girls.
Hawaii is known for its diverse natural scenery, tropical climate, and even its beautiful public beaches. However, pollution has seemed to have gotten the best of it and has become a major issue in Hawaii. Since Hawaii has become an official state in 1959, its population has increased to about 1.3 million people. With the increase in population came an increase in tourism of about 6 to 7 million people and counting. With the increased attraction to the island of Hawaii comes the need for transportation and cars and buses as well. Unfortunately, this leads to an increase in CO2 emissions and toxic car fumes as well. Traffic congestion is a main concern for Hawaii, primarily in Honolulu, where traveling can take up to an hour and a half to 2 hours during peak times. With more cars remaining idle, this leads to a spike in increased car emissions, which reduces the quality of air. Since pollution has become a major issue in Hawaii, it has become detrimental to the living quality of the natives. Another major contributor to the pollution in Hawaii has been the presence of U.S. power companies known as the Big Five. These companies include Castle & Cook, Alexander & Baldwin, Subaru & Company, American Factors, and Theo H. Davies & Company. These factories have presence in places like Maui and Kuwait, where sugar is a natural commodity in Hawaii. Sugarcane is seen as a major economic benefit for the Big Five, and with little political protection in Hawaii, these companies were not only able to dominate economically, but politically as well. With the arrival of these mass conglomerates came the increased desire for cheap, easy labor to work in the factories to produce sugar. Sugar would then be sold at really high prices for the sake of profit. With the presence of sugarcane factories came the degradation of land and misuse of limited natural resources like fresh water. Many areas have been completely depleted simply for the use of sugarcane plantations. Sugarcane plantations are also responsible for an increase in water and air pollution. Since Hawaii is an island, its main natural resource is water. With the increase in tourism, population, and industrial presence, this has had a negative impact on the water quality in Hawaii. An increase in crop immigration and pesticides has had an adverse reaction to the water quality and drinking water on the island. With the continual use of pesticides, this brings a bigger issue that can arise from the quality of ocean water, putting coral reefs and naturally occurring flora and fish in the sea at risk. As a means to remedy this issue, the Clean Water Branch of Hawaii has pushed for political legislation and action to protect the water, which the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency responded with the Clean Water Act of 1970.
Okay. Based on what my partner says about the tourism, I'm gonna get to more details about it. So, Hawaii's visitor industry continues to be the largest generator of jobs among the major industry sectors in the state. Tourism is also the largest source of private capital into the Hawaii Islands. Hawaii's tourism industry had the record-breaking years in 2012, with 7.99 million visitors to the island, spending 14 billion. According to the preliminary statistic by the Hawaii Tourist Authority, a 9.6% increase from the 7.3 million visitor arrival in 2011. The previous record was 7.6 million visitors in 2006. Because of the limited public transportation in the island, there is only 9 highways in the state and only 466 utilize public transportations, including buses and taxis. Of these 663, only 0.6% of the workforce took the bus. And because of this limited public transportation, there's another problem from the noises. The noises from the excessively loud vehicles is destroying the quality of life in residential Honolulu. Today's vehicles have been designed to be wonderful quiet unless deliberately modified to make as much noise as possible. Furthermore, let's move to the problem of sewage. Construction of hotels, recreation, and other facilities often leads to increased sewage problem. Wastewater have polluted sea and the lakes surrounding the tourist attractions, damaging the flora and fauna. According to the Hawaii News Now, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency and the Hawaii State Department of Health announced their settlement with Marisco Limited, including civil punishment of $710,000 for water pollution control violation at its ship repair and dry dock facility at the harbor on Oahu. And this is the largest clean water action civil punishment against the ship repair facility nationwide. In addition, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency has awarded the Hawaii Department of Health a $1.1 million grant to implement its pollute runoff control program and to support water quality improvement projects.
Pollution is an extremely important issue in Hawaii. Deforestation has increased as hotel chains branched out and cleared out natural habitats to destroy ecosystems for building and construction. In addition, air pollution has also increased with more tourism and more people that visit. Air travel is accountable for more than 50% of the air pollution in Hawaii. This video serves as a PSA announcement for the issues that are going on in Hawaii. In addition, we have a video that shows the actual footage of what's going on in Hawaii and the issues that are highlighted.
Something has gone wrong. Blame me first as long as we open up our eyes. Why do we justify these foolish who are burning all what's good and right if we don't wake up soon? This burden will be long. This burden will be long if we don't wake up soon. All we ever knew will be gone. This comfort so deceiving, all common sense aside. This world wonders grieving, but from the depths we hide, we question of this hatred as we sacrifice. It's comatose, you see. How much longer can we bleed before we come to our senses again? Our senses again. If we don't wake up soon, this burden will be long. This burden will be long. If we don't wake up soon, all we ever knew will be gone. If we don't wake up soon, this burden will be long. This burden will be long if we don't wake up soon.